Hello and a very big welcome. This is Peter Beckenham. This channel is exclusively for online trust-based solopreneurs. So if you are an online solopreneur and you are struggling in any way with selling whatever it is you have to sell, you are in exactly the right place. Every week I'll be uploading tips, ideas, insights, masterminds, videos of a whole range of natures that will help you increase the number of clients you can get in a way that you feel comfortable about. I've been sales coaching for 36 years and I love what I do with a passion. And what I want to share with you is how to grow your client base by providing memorable moments and memorable experiences with both potential and existing clients. Please make sure you click that subscribe button, and when you do, hit the bell. That tells you when every new video will be released to you. And I'm looking forward very much to serving you as a subscriber to this channel. Best wishes from Thailand.